Assessing value, threats, and vulnerabilities in societal risk management. Understanding the basics of societal risk management is crucial, and involves identifying and mitigating risks that threaten the fabric of society, ensuring a safer future for all. The role of value assessment is pivotal in mitigating these societal risks. It helps in prioritizing actions based on the impact and likelihood of risks, making risk management efforts more effective and efficient. Identifying threats requires a comprehensive set of tools and techniques. By accurately pinpointing potential dangers, communities can adopt proactive measures to avoid or reduce the impact of these risks. Vulnerability analysis stands as the cornerstone of proactive risk management. It involves assessing the susceptibility of a society to identified threats, guiding the development of robust defense mechanisms. Integrating value, threats, and vulnerabilities offers a holistic approach to societal risk management. This comprehensive strategy ensures that all aspects of risk are considered, paving the way for a safer and more resilient society. In societal risk assessment, quantitative methods offer precise data, enabling targeted risk management strategies. They quantify threats, predict impacts, and help allocate resources efficiently, driving effective decision-making processes. Conversely, qualitative methods provide depth and context, revealing the intricacies of societal risks that numbers alone can't capture. Through interviews and case studies, they uncover the human element, enriching the understanding of risks and their impacts. Leveraging technology in threat detection and analysis marks a significant advancement in societal risk management. Innovative tools like AI and data analytics offer unparalleled insights, enhancing our ability to foresee and mitigate potential threats before they escalate. The economics of societal risk management involves a delicate balance between cost and benefit. Assessing the financial implications of risk mitigation strategies ensures that resources are used judiciously, maximizing societal benefit while minimizing expenses. Exploring successful case studies in societal risk management provides valuable lessons. These real-world examples illustrate the effectiveness of integrating technology, economics, and human insight, offering a blueprint for proactive and comprehensive risk management strategies. Legal and ethical considerations form the backbone of societal risk management, ensuring actions taken to mitigate risks are both morally sound and compliant with regulatory standards. This dual focus protects communities and upholds justice. Building resilience against societal threats requires a multifaceted strategy. By identifying and reinforcing weak points, societies can withstand and recover from adverse events more effectively, minimizing potential impacts on daily life. Public education and awareness are crucial in empowering individuals to act proactively against risks. Knowledge dissemination transforms passive community members into active participants in risk management, enhancing overall safety and preparedness. Developing a comprehensive societal risk management plan involves collaboration across sectors. It integrates diverse perspectives and expertise, ensuring that strategies are well-rounded and effective in addressing the multifaceted nature of societal risks. Government and policy play pivotal roles in societal risk management. Through legislation, funding, and leadership, they set the framework within which local and global communities can work together to mitigate threats and enhance safety. Emergency preparedness is crucial, focusing on planning ahead to tackle societal threats efficiently. It involves meticulous strategies to ensure swift action and minimize impact, embodying proactive community protection measures. The future of societal risk management is pointing towards innovative solutions. Advancements in technology and methodology will enhance our capability to predict and mitigate risks, ensuring a safer tomorrow. International cooperation plays a pivotal role in managing global societal risks. By sharing resources, knowledge, and strategies, countries can effectively address challenges that transcend borders, fostering a secure global community. Evaluating the effectiveness of societal risk management strategies is essential for continuous improvement. It involves analyzing outcomes to refine and adapt measures, ensuring they remain robust against evolving threats. Conclusively, the path forward in societal risk management is a collective journey towards resilience. By embracing innovation, cooperation, and continuous evaluation, society can navigate uncertainties more confidently and securely.